Linear rails with the rounded features and with the biophilic imagery create somewhere that feels high-tech, but still soft and warm and inviting for people to sit in and be around.
So Belgian Society of Radiology, this is a really cool project because you don't often work with the idea of translucent layers. So in this particular project, having the history of radiology as a foundation, we wanted to really convey that old film X-ray kind of look to it. Looking at Belgium, they have a strong history of floriculture, so mixing that with the idea of radiology is really the inspiration here.
We wanted to bring in the X-ray factor, hoping to create a calm and comfortable waiting room using oomph and biophilic images and graphics.
Hi, I'm Kirsty, and I'm an experiential graphic designer.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Miner, and I'm an experiential graphic designer.
As a background to this, we do have our oomph system up here, and you can see the big, beautiful printing on that panel. You can see on the logo, we created this identity in 3 layers. And those layers, actually, one layer of print and it stacks up on each layer so that you get this sort of very interesting 3-dimensional shadow play with that stack up.
Multiple layers stacked together with standoffs and spacers in between, so you can get that depth between each layer of the logo.
For those who know our Lucid product line, these shapes are very unusual. And the shapes of the signs themselves actually come from the logo.
I really like the overlapping sort of rounded shapes that they have, and I thought that would make a great Lucid family. We haven't done anything with Lucid rails at an angle, and I thought pushing those boundaries would be really successful for this contemporary tech-based application.
It's all subsurface printed. We do have raised lettering and braille. All of the rails are satin anodized aluminum. And you can see that there are these, in a couple of areas, there are these really unique laser cut elements that help bring, again, that sense of dimension, but also transparency to the project. As part of this project, we also wanted to include a little history wall or interpretive display element. And you can see, again, we've got a lot of layers to it. This is actually printing directly onto an aluminum substrate, so it gives you this really interesting sort of reflective surface to it.
Stiff linear rails with the rounded features of the signs and with the biophilic imagery combined to create somewhere that feels high-tech, but still soft and warm and inviting for people to sit in and be around.